Our water has air in the pipes. Don't mind that. But this is a video response to the video, how does your toilet flush? Well, here you go. That deserves a thumbs up, I think. How about another? That's a darn good flush, in my opinion. This toilet is made by UPC. Sorry, our bathroom is not the cleanest. And you can see that it's not labeled, except right there is where it says UPC. This is a contractor grade toilet. It's going to be saying goodbye because it's unsightly and it's cracked. So, and it cannot be mounted anymore. So, this is a response to the video, how does your toilet flush? Thank you.